Welcome back, everyone. This is Bronze Lock Picker 60, and the lock I have for you today is a Sargent rim cylinder lock, 5-pinner, and here's a fitting on the key. Not sure if it's a challenge lock. It's sent to me by REDEYE LOCKSPORT. Most of you know from the packages I've sent out, I mostly deal with quickset and Schlage type locks. So whether this is a challenge lock or not, it will be a challenge for me because of the tolerance level in these types of locks, higher grade locks, and I don't get to pick these too often. So let's see if I can get into it. Well, first of all, let me get a little close up here so you can see if I get any feedback. Okay. And there it is. Open. Haven't gotten into this before, so let me zoom out and swing. Give me a second. Keeping the lock in frame so there isn't any doubt of what's going on. Okay. So, holy moly, I'm gonna go ahead and lock it because the clip holding onto this is a little thicker than usual. And let's see if I can remove this clip. Wow, that is some strong clip there. Okay, clip this out. Let's turn it this way, being something left-handed. Actually, this way. This shim is getting more worn out than I am. Let's see if I can get a shim in here. Oh, come on. Try to do this through the viewfinders. Not as easy as it looks. Oh, come on. Come on. Oops. No, no, no. Don't come out. Don't come out yet. Alright. Let me grab my homemade follower. Made out of wood. And bingo presto. Alright, well. There they go. Oh, it is a challenge lock. Oops. And as you can see, all the, come on baby, focus. All the pins are below the shear line. Come on. Focus, baby. Good job. Good job. There you go. Alright. So, let's get these pins out. And my ghetto style pin and tray. coming from the Bronx, you know. We call it a hoopty. Okay, and one more. And let's see if there's anything done. Alright, there's nothing done to the core. I'll show you. Okay, all the pins are standard and they all have wafers of some sort, some thicker than others. And I'll give you a close-up of it. When the pins were in the core, it looked like, because of the wafers, it looked like serrated or spool pins, but they weren't. So this might just be a standard lock. Oops. And the first pin is standard with a steel spring, loosely bound, and standard driver pin with the same type of spring. Okay, I got a feeling it's all standard. Top pins and same spring. Yep. Come on. I got two came out for the price of one. I can figure this out. Actually, that goes there, and that goes there. Well, there you go, guys. Let's get a close-up of these pins, which, like I said, is all standard. And as you can see, the Bible, there's nothing done to the Bible. As you can see, the top hasn't been removed. And, well, that was, I believe, my first Sargent. So, guys, thanks for watching. Be safe, be legal. If you like what I do in my videos, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It'll help me out. As I say, stay calm and pick on. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.